Hi guys, welcome to Endoca. My name's Demi and today we're going to be talking about our CBD hemp salve, what it is, what's inside, and if it's something that might work for you. Alright, so first off, let's open the product and have a look what's inside. We have coconut oil, we have hemp extract, we have lemon citrus peel oil, we have some vitamin C, I think that's everything as well, and beeswax. So a lot of really great skin-loving, moisturizing ingredients. The medium-chain fatty acids in the coconut oil as well are great for skin irritations and inflammation issues like acne because it's antibacterial, antimicrobial. Lemon essential oil as well has antibacterial properties as well as being used in aromatherapy to increase energy and focus. Because it does have coconut oil at a base, it does mean that if you go out in the sun, you probably will be a little bit more prone to the sunburn than if you use a product that absorbs directly into the skin. So it is something to think about. Generally speaking, if you've got cracked, dry skin, sensitive skin, it's amazing because it's really, really rich and really moisturizing. So let's talk about how to dose and use this product. The salve has 750 milligrams of CBD inside, meaning that it's a very highly concentrated topical product. Obviously, using a topical, it's not always so easy to measure out exactly what kind of dose or amount of milligrams you need to use at the time. The salve is especially good for dry lips, cracked elbows, cracked heels, anywhere where your skin is super, super dry and really would like a drink. People suffering from localized inflammation conditions like arthritis or sore joints or muscle pain could also potentially benefit from the touted anti-inflammatory effects of CBD. We would suggest to apply it directly after a shower when your pores are open, but you can really apply it anytime. Obviously, like everything in Endoca, it's 100% organic. There's nothing artificial added to it either. There's a high concentration of CBD at 750 milligrams, making it one of the highest concentrated CBD topicals on the market. It provides pretty much instant relief from dryness or itchiness. Great for inflammatory issues like dermatitis, arthritis, sore joints, and can be used on the face and the body. Have you guys ever used a CBD topical product before? What did you use it for? Sore joints, sore muscles, dermatitis, acne? Let us know in the comments below. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos all the time. Check out our old videos as well. And if you want to become part of our community, come visit us on Facebook. We have an amazing Facebook group where you can ask any question you want about CBD, and our community will be there to answer any questions you guys might have. So we'll see you for the next video. Bye.